welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to be making DIY croissant. So these are the ingredients, what you need. Croissant dough. And this is from Pillsbury. And what you can add inside is Nutella, cream cheese or just cheese, and we just need a little bit of butter and a little bit of cream cheese, a spoon, this plate, which is not a plate, but yeah, and a tray with like parchment paper. So let's get started. And by the way, I'm gonna be baking. Let's start. But before we cook, click that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Let's start! First one. This will sound so satisfying. It's satisfying if you don't think it's satisfying. This is actually real dough, by the way. And you guys, when you do this, make sure you wash your hands. By the way, you guys, I did this a long time ago. That my mom was baking. So for this one, I think I'm going to be supposed to putting it here, all the way to here. So you guys, I'm going to be spreading this with the Nutella. It's going to be a little bit hard because I'm using a spoon. So you guys, I noticed that using a spoon was hard, so now I'm using a spatula. Doesn't really have to be perfect. Right here. So we're starting at the very beginning, all the way to the end, like this. Now I'm going to put it on this small tray, and then we're going to be baking it. So now we're going to make more. Now I'm going to add the butter. Okay, how am I going to put onto the butter when I'm not going to use my hands? Yeah, my mom's going to do it for me because my mom has gloves. Whoa, that's so ginormous. By the way, you guys, this is going to melt later when you're going to like it feels like this is not good, but it's okay. Put it right there. Now I'm gonna go to my next one, which is the cheese. Oopie doopie. Now good thing that I made some, so then I had more space. You know. So yeah. At least I can. Now let's roll you up. Oh, hi, Meow. What? There's gonna be maybe some sticking out. Yeah. Like the same thing as the butter. It's fine. It's fine. Boom. Now I'm gonna make another Nutella. So you guys, I finally made a perfect one, so now I'm gonna place it. And by the way, these are Nutella. This one is butter and this one's cheese. Okay? Now, next one. Butter! Butter, please! And my mom made it a little bit smaller because she realized it's gonna be sticked out. So yeah. When I stop at the middle, I'm gonna twist it to the other side. Like this. Like that. A little bit bendy bend. It's a little bit showing, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna paste this. Maybe I'm gonna make another one. Cheese. Down. Cheesy, cheesy. No one wants the cheesy except my parents. So yeah, la 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 la, sha la la. The cheesy goes like that. Should we make 2 more? Because there's enough space. There's a little bit more Nutella on this one, but I'm gonna be adding more Nutella. How about we should make the other one of Nutella? A lot of people. And you guys, by the way, I'm not making this for myself. I'm making this for my family. And some went on my hand, but it's okay. It's part of the fun. Yeah. I'm just trying to concentrate. But I got it. I'm gonna take off the ones that are on my layer. Then rolling, 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 rolling. Rolly, rolly, roll your boat. Rowy, 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 yoke. I think the Nutella is working way better. It's because it's like better. And the other ones are like solid and then what you could cut it in. Now this last one, of course, it's gonna be Nutella as well. I like Nutella and my little sugar. Ew. Sorry guys. Guys, we're going to be using an air fryer to bake these croissants at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes or until it's golden brown. So let's do. First I'm going to do one at a time. You guys, it's all done. So my mom's gonna take it out for me, and then we're gonna bake the other one. Okay, you guys, now I'm gonna try it. And this is the Nutella one, if you could tell. gonna try this, and then we're gonna see what they think. Let me try another bite. So good. It's so yummy, you guys. You gotta try this, you guys. You gotta make your own DIY croissant, and you have to see if it's good or bad. And make sure you do it on 10 to 12 minutes, remember. Mia, do you wanna try the Nutella croissant? Is it good? I made this, Mia, guess what? I made this for the whole family. Do you like it? Say it's yummy. So good! Are you glad that you made it? Yeah. Mine is already almost finished. Really good! Yummy!
It's crunchy.
I like crunchy. Mommy really like it because I like crunchy. Good job, Ate. I hear you. I know I can. Okay, you can hear me. Thank you for watching. Bye.